What is up, guys? DJ from Art of Visuals, and today we're going to be talking about a product that is so new that at the time of filming this intro right here, I don't even have it yet. What is the product? It is the Xperia 5 Mark IV, and it is the newest camera phone in Sony's Xperia lineup, and I think you guys are going to really love it. Let's jump into it and check it out. So the phone just came in and we are about to do a little unboxing. One of the things that you'll immediately notice about this Xperia is that it has 3 distinct camera lenses. It has a 16mm, a 24mm, and then a 60mm fixed zoom lens. So we're trying out the different focal lengths to see what we can get, and we just switched to the 16mm. Yeah. Guys, so we're out here at the basketball court. I'm here with Caitlin.
Yo.
She makes stuff for AOV, and we are gonna do a little photo challenge. We have Lauren over here, she's our basketball model. We're gonna see who can get the best shots on the Xperia 5 Mark IV. You ready?
I'm ready, let's go.
Let's
go!
Okay, so Kate, you got 3 lenses on this camera. You have a 16mm, a 24mm, and a 60mm. Which one do you think you're gonna use?
That's super hard to choose on the spot. Am I just going for it?
Yeah.
Okay. I did. I used the wide, so the 16mm, and tried to go for kind of this vibey, like, you know.
Now it's my turn.
Okay. DJ, what lens are you gonna be using?
I'm gonna go with the 16mm because I feel like it kind of has that like streetwear, kind of like exactly what you did. So you shouldn't have shown me.
So you
shouldn't have shown me your shot because now I can't shoot anything else. So you're going to be able to get a 20 frames per second burst in HDR on the 16mm, on the 24mm, and on the 60mm lens. This gives you a ton of options if you're shooting fast-moving subjects like kids or pets or anything to do with sports. So at the price point, to me, the standout feature of this phone is the 120 frames per second slow motion. So we're going to check out a montage of some of the footage shot on this phone right now. As you can see, the footage looks amazing. This phone takes most of the features from the Xperia 1 Mark IV and packs it into a package that is just under $1,000 that is a lot more accessible to a lot of people. So in my opinion, at this price point, I don't think you can get better 4K 120 slow-mo. This is a very viable and affordable option. It has IAF, and it also has an updated object tracking, and it lowers the barrier of entry for a lot of new budget shooters. So this phone uses something called smart AI-based real-time tracking to keep your subject in focus at all times. In simple terms, the phone processes your face, eyes, colors, patterns, and now distance to keep your subject in focus. I feel like if Sony keeps on progressing like this, they're going to be able to corner the wireless market because the cameras just keep getting better, and they're adding tools for musicians, the audio is getting better, and they play really nicely with Sony Alpha cameras. So if you like this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe if you want to see more videos just like this one, and we'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.
Can you tell I don't play basketball? I'm faster.
I did it!